sales and service here in Junction City. Got a beautiful 40-footer there. Cool remodeled going in there with a July, right around the beginning of July pickup. Some cool stuff coming in there. We'll get you some future videos on that. But here today, we're gonna shoot you actually Adam and Tara's coach. Now it's sold unit. They haven't come and picked it up yet. We actually haven't even made it through the PDI of it yet. I think their pickup again also is July, maybe later. I haven't looked at the board, but I want to give you a cool tour of this Country Coach Intrigue 530. These coaches, super solid. It's going to be my favorite floor plan. That is one reason why I am shooting this video, is because it's going to be the Jubilee floor plan. So I really like these coaches. Now there's a few of them that are built. One of my good friends, Steve, that actually hooked me up with our good friend Andrew Steele. He has one of these that's one of the last ones ever built, and it's got patio awnings actually on the roof. Now this particular coach for the patio awning has the Girard. Doesn't have any arms or anything. Really nice awning. I like those. It's got the rear window awnings. Now, of course, with that Girard on there, no need to have those window awnings there. No over-the-door awning, giving it a nice clean look. You don't have that obtrusive awning hanging out over the edge there. I really like these lighter colors. Just got this one kind of dark green swoosh in it, or dark color. But other than that, going to be real light colors. Going to be a super sweet on that. This is a super low mile coach. Got that over the windows awnings there again, and then no need for that with no window back there in that backslide. But super stellar coach. I'll give you a quick tour of the bays just so you guys have an idea of the storage capacity in one of these coaches. So let's go ahead, get these bay doors open for you. All right, so we got the bay doors open here. On all these Intrigues, you're gonna have a midship fuel tank, very similar to the Prevost chassis. So you'll have a compartment bay here for number 1, full pass-through. Compartment bay number 2, full pass-through. And then even compartment bay number 3 is gonna be a full pass-through. Now that's gonna be on all the 45-footers. If you get the 40-footer, you'll lose one of these bays, because the 40-footers lose their length in the wheelbase. You don't lose it from the rear axle to the back, and you don't lose it from the front axle forward. It comes out of the middle. Here, this next bay, you're gonna have some wet acid batteries. Y'all kind of know my opinion on those. I'm kind of a big Lifeline fan, but nothing wrong with those. They're getting by. In behind this panel is gonna be your inverter, your transfer switch, your echo charger, a couple other components. Now up here across the very top, you're gonna have all your breakers for your multiplex lighting and slide outs, so on, like that. And then here you're gonna have your propane tank. Now this coach hasn't been completely had the reconditioning done and the last of the detail done. That's why a couple of these bays are a little dirty. Very last bay, gonna be your engine start batteries, your fuel filters, that auxiliary oil reservoir. We'll give you all a shot of this. Now this is gonna have a Cat C13 in it. Super reliable motor. I love these Cat C13s. Really bulletproof. So there's that. Nice ass end to this bad boy here. Good looking Country Coach flap on there. We'll just give you a quick tour. We got that radiator here for the side mount radiators. Then you're gonna have your plumbing bay. Now this coach here is gonna be the 2007. So that'll be the first generation for this stainless style plumbing bay. See if we can get you some lights on in there. We'll get that beautiful Country Coach logo in there glowing. And then some nice lighting with some LEDs across the top. Black tank, gray tank flush, your knife valves, little sewer hose storage, that city water fill, and then in behind here is gonna be your access to your water filter. It's gonna have your water pump there on the very bottom of it. Got your gravity fill, and then you got this nice faucet out here and the sprayer also. Then this next bay is gonna be where we put the Hurricane or Hydro Hot or an Aqua Hot, depending on your year and model. And then we've got the full pass-through, full pass-through, full pass-through. Now fuel fills on this, you'll have them both sides as we covered midship. So that's where the fuel access is. Beautiful coach. I like these light colors. Big fan. We just had somebody drop one off a Magna custom painted. It's all silver and then just the graphics on it. We'll show you again here. This is going to be your front run box up here. It's going to have your HWH pump in it. It's going to have your auxiliary pump in there. And then you'll have some fuses. The HWH leveling box over there on the right hand side. This coach here will have a 10K generator in it. Looks like it's coming in at only 485 hours on that generator. So nice low hours. That's kind of how those generator masks work for you. But I know you've all come to watch the inside. So let's go inside this coach. All right, well, since we made our way to the back of the coach, got this beautiful tile floor. Now this is going to be all heated. Then you've got that carpet in the front, and then this nice ceiling treatment all up here. But since we made our way to the back of the coach, I thought we'd break it up a little bit different this time. Let's start in the bedroom. So here on the left-hand side, you've got your audio video equipment cabinet over here on the left. On the very top, you've got 5.1 surround sound in the bedroom. And then a newer Toshiba TV. Got those cabinets there on the bottom. And then, oh, no safe. So more storage there. Should have storage up here across the top. Then it looks like we're missing a washer dryer. As you can see, it's pre-plumbed for that. I think it'll end up getting one again, or we'll end up finishing those cabinets off, depending on how the customer chooses. Some more storage down low. Kind of nice to be able to have that storage up high and down low, so that way you can get a lot of cleaning supplies, laundry detergents. Looks like we've got a nice shelf across the top. Looking at probably a good 60 inches worth of bar space. Now in this cabinet here, you'll have your IntelliTech lighting output modules, everything for the ceiling, and then your central processor. And then these two switches here are in case that lighting system goes down, then you can get some lights going on in the living room and the bedroom. Let's get the last of the lights on here in the slide room. Boom. So we've got that nice king size bed. Pretty much every one of these 45 footers, you're always going to end up with a good king size bed. Nice overheads across the top. Those full storage, full depth. You might have a divider in there. Nope. So these two cabinets are tied together for wider options, and so are those. Got some storage here below the sink. Now I've got this nice carpeted floor on here, and then the bottoms of the upper cabinets are all going to be this white carpet here. So this is going to be coach number 12089, as I refer to it as a Jubilee 45 footer. Okay, so this coach here will have about 65 gallons of waste capacity, 65 gallons of gray water capacity, and then 100 gallons of fresh water. It'll have a 15,000 pound rated hitch, if I'm not mistaken, at least 10,000 pound rating on the hitch. Gonna have 525 horsepower out of that Cummins, and I think it's just around 2,000 something foot-pounds of torque. Don't quote me on that torque number, but I'm pretty sure of that. So I just wanted to give you a few specs. People had been asking for that. This coach will have 3 air conditioners on it. Going to be a 15,000 BTU Coleman's, 10,000 watt Onan, and then it's going to even have that large convection oven for that. And it looks like it did, of course, come factory with a Splendid washer dryer. You can always, in this cabinet, shows all the original equipment that was built in the coach. Nice deep countertop here, and then some nice deep drawers here for some storage there. Shower enclosure there, got a little light on it. You just pop this door open, and when you're in there, if you find it's a little dim, you can always hit that switch. Nice shelves, nice little seat, or a good spot to put your foot while you're giving it a quick shining. So that covers that shower area. And then we've got the toilet room just across the way. We'll kick on a couple lights here. So you've got a cabinet up here. Nice, like the other side, all white lined cabinets. Talks about some of the things to sterilize in the tanks there. And then you've got more storage here under the sink. Of course, very commonplace for the old chemicals. And then you've got that Tecma turd grinder toilet with the push button operation. Fantastic fan for getting that turd scent out of here. And then some storage up high here. You're gonna have the 1-inch pull down blind here. Cool coach, nice neutral colors. It's not too dated. This particular solid surface I'm a real big fan of. I don't know why, I just really like it. This backsplash tile is really nice. Again here, got that convection oven that we just talked about, but we'll back this tour up a little bit. Come here, you've got your pantry. These large pull-out trays here, 3 of those. Then you've got that residential refrigerator, freezer here. Nice units. Still with the 4 batteries in these and them running off the generator or running off the inverter overnight. One night you can still get a good, let's say at least 12 to 16 hours of cycle time in between starting that generator to top off those batteries. So without having those LP refrigerators, not too big a thing. Let's go ahead and get all these cabinets open here in this galley area. Give you all a nice tour of this driver's side slide room. All right, and just like that, we've got all the cabinets and everything open. As you can see under the sink here, nice lit cabinet with the switch here on the side. This one here is gonna be for your storage for your cooktop covers and your sink covers. Looks like you got that Fisher Piquel dishwasher in here, and then some nice small storage location on the left side of the slide room. Got some nice storage above the microwave, nice overhead cabinet here, and then another nice deep cabinet right here. Nice deep drawers. You can see you got the plastic drawer or silverware divider in the very top one. Got your spot here for your Scrub Daddy scrubbers. Get that into there. And then you've got this nice large couch. Now this is going to be a flip out. If I'm not mistaken, it might be a hide-a-bed or it's at least a jackknife. Yeah, so this is going to be a hide-a-bed with an air mattress. Nice wide one. Guests have plenty of sleeping room up there. Got these nice overhead cabinets again here. Now located behind this panel on the left is going to be where the fuses are for everything located in this particular slide room. We've got a future radio install. I'll give you guys a video on that when I do it, because it is going to have a new custom burlwood panel and kind of get it all dialed in and change that switch configuration. Adam, super cool cat, and his wife Tara, I've spoken with him. We're going to get that dialed in for him. But let's give you all a tour here of the passenger side slide room. Now this is why I like the Jubilee floor plan. If you're out RVing, most of the time your view is out on the passenger side. So that way you've got that nice dinette. You can look out that window. You've got these couple chairs here, or descending on how you make your seating configuration, you can look right out that window. Even blow that out if do the bigger window if you want there. And then this is where your function happens, because usually you end up with a dividing wall or so on and so forth on that side. So all right, let's get you a show of the cabinets inside of this room. All right, so boom, we got all those cabinet doors open. As you can see, nice cabinets across here. These are going to be full length, so you can shove some stuff in from the sides. Got this wall completely open here for this particular seating arrangement. Couple chairs here. Now I've got all the cabinets open in this dinette table here, so you've got lots of nice storage around the dinette, even some down below. Now this table does pull out, and it slides forward and aft. So we'll give you a show of that. You just grab it, drag it back here to the aft end, or you can shove it to the forward end. So it's really accommodating in that sense. That cabinet there, gonna have some fuses down in there in the very bottom. Those are all gonna run everything that's in this particular slide room on this model of coach. Nice overhead cabinets across the dinette here. And then we've got that coma cabinet coming in hot with those crystal glasswares if you want to get your fade on. So beautiful coach. It's kind of the ins and outs of the front area. Now up here in the cockpit area, you're going to have your audio video cabinet here over the seat. You're going to end up with your awning controls up here. antenna control, your slide room controller for rooms 1 and 2, which are going to be your forward 2. Over here on this side, you're going to have that old Pioneer CD changer, which will be obsolete. Looks like we've got some sort of cable selector here, a little aftermarket one thrown in. Got that stock Sharp TV in the very front. We'll have a map box here. Theoretically, yep, we'll have a map box here, and then we'll have a shelf here on this side. Nice driving cockpit here area. It's going to have that smart wheel in there with all your headlight flash, marker light flash, your wiper controls, your cruise controls, transmission location. And then here in the very center is going to be that dash radio. We'll get that popped out of here, get that nice Kenwood 10-inch installed in there. Be a lot nicer, be able to have that Bluetooth and that CarPlay or Android play in there. But I just wanted to shoot you all a quick video of this. Big shout out to Adam and Tara, his wife, that are getting this coach. They kind of wanted to get a little video of it, and I had no problem accommodating them. I hope you all enjoyed this tour of this coach. Like I said, Jubilee, Intrigue. The more and more I work on them, the more I like it. I just wish they had patio awnings on the roof, but if you can get past that, they're always an excellent coach. And I mean, you don't need that fancy stuff on the roof. More things to go wrong. But hey, everybody, take that time, hit those subscribes. Don't forget to comment, hit that like button. But everybody, just have a great day. Till next time, bye-bye.